excited today because I received a brand new PR box from bareMinerals featuring their new Nourishing Lip Oils, and it has all 7 shades, and I'm excited to show you. Today I will be sharing you the collection, demoing each shade, and telling you more about why these Nourishing Lip Oils are going to be my new spring and summer essentials. First, let's talk about why these lip oils are so special. These lip oils are all about high impact, high shine, and they are so nourishing to your lip. They are infused with a powerful blend of 9 botanical oils to help deliver that juicy, hydrating shine. And the great thing about these beautiful shades is that it's universally flattering. They are lightweight, non-sticky, and they feel incredible on your lips. And if you're looking for a quick and easy way to accentuate your lips without a sticky feel, I think you're going to really love these Nourishing Lip Oils. I personally love wearing lip oils in spring and summer because of the texture. They're just light and easy, and they're just so quick to apply, and they fit real nice in your purse. So when you're on the go and you need a touch up of hydrating your lips or that little pop of color, these lip oils will do it for you. All right, let's jump into the live swatches. I have nothing on my lips, just a little bit of chapstick with no color, so that is it. My lip color is kind of dark, and I'll also give you a quick description of the color as we go. The first shade is a clear gloss, and it is called Shine. As you can see, that shine gives you a clear gloss on your lips, and it applies beautifully, and it's perfect to wear alone or layered. The next color is called Delight, and it's this pretty soft pink color. Here is Delight on my lips, and it is a soft pink. And I feel like it looks a lot like the color Shine. If you're looking for that clear finish, here it is. It does kind of impart a natural lip color glow, so that's really nice. This is the color Spark, and it is a bold crimson. Here's the shade on my lips, and I feel like it offers like a dark burgundy flush of gloss on my lips. Here's the next shade. It's called Adore, and it has kind of like a bright cherry hue to it. Here it is on my lips, and I feel like it offers a really fresh, subtle, like just bitten lip look. Here's the color Flaunt, and it looks like it's like a luscious plum shade. I think this color is really pretty, and it adds a really nice depth to my natural lips and giving it a little bit of shine. Actually, a lot of shine. This is the color called Indulge, and I would say it's kind of like a deep mahogany color. Here's the color of my lips, and I feel like it gives me a sheer wash of chocolate brown. Here's the shade Charm, and it is a peach rose color. I do see that hint of peach on my lips, and I think this would be perfect for an everyday glow. You know, these lip oils feel really great. It almost feels like skincare for your lips. It would be interesting to see these lip colors on skin that is not as dark as mine. When I look in the mirror, I can see the subtle differences, but I don't know if on camera, if you can see any difference at all. So the coverage is, again, extremely sheer. So if you're looking for something of that and just a little pop of color, this is the right line for you. Let me know in the comments below if you have this lip oil and if you have a favorite shade and how it looks on your skin. I would be interested in knowing. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a comment below. I would love to hear your opinion or experiences of the bareMinerals new Nourishing Lip Oil. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. I love that you're here with me, and I will see you in the next video, ladies. Bye. I want
slow love, uncomplicated touch, stable as we go, consistent as we grow.